Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is December 6th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only because, as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over here to these charts and see what we see this week. And I did this little funny. I'm going to maximize this chart and move back. Boom. All right, let's zoom in here on this quarterly chart. On the quarterly chart, we can see that we are still green. This is not what I was expecting. Let me make sure these are all right. That one was wrong. Okay, just the one. All right, on this quarterly chart, what we see, we're still above that yearly R2 and just below that yearly R3 that we can see there. I'm highlighting there now and all. And I was going to try to start using my pen. It's a yearly R3 hitting right behind here at that level right there and all. And most likely we may not break that this year. Don't know. Have to kind of like wait and see what's going to happen here. It's time to be very cautious. Let's just go ahead and move on to the monthly chart and see what we see there. On the monthly chart, what we see, again, like you said, we had a quarterly, let me just show you that, quarterly R2 and all. We already turned red a little bit starting out this month and all on this quarterly chart, on this monthly chart and all at a R2 level. So again, that's why again I kind of said that we may not break this. We got to be very careful here going on into Christmas and to the end of the year and all, because we are a bit extended, and see what happens here on the Dow. All right, let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, as you can see, we did make a new high this week, but we have turned red and started selling off. So this is that time where you tighten up your stops a little bit. You be aware of what you're doing. Pay attention to your trading plan, your trading strategy, and how you should manage your trade at this time, because we have been going up for the last couple of months and all. So that's what I see there. On the daily noise, let's go ahead and go down to the daily noise. As you can see, this is a pretty choppy week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We kind of didn't go anywhere. We made a high on Wednesday and we came back down near the low, almost to the low that we had made, on Tuesday and all. And that's where we at. Kind of funny though. It's a funny week. It's one of those weeks where we kind of open up we kind of closed just above pivot and ended up closing below pivot this week. So that's not a good sign. And look like come next week we will be opening below pivot. And also again, this market can end up turning over and rolling over and all. So I can see that we have a little gap here, that we may come down and try to fill this gap. So that means we can drop down to as low, just going to the top of this candle, the body of this candle right here, that's 443.18. So you're going to want to be somewhere below that, around 442 or lower, or maybe 440, if this thing starts acting like it wants to turn over, and be ready to manage anything that you may have down there at that time. But again, and any stop should be in place, if it breaks below this area right here, where it closed, that if you haven't already got stopped out. And that's it. That's all pretty much I want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope this is being helpful. Again, hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.